Hey, what's up?
Sorry, what'd you say?
I said, hey, what's up?
Sorry, man, I can't hear you. These AirPods Pro cancel out the noise.
Huh?
Wait. Are those the regular AirPods?
Well, yeah, they're great. They're super comfortable.
Are you poor?
I just really like.
Don't talk to me. I can smell the poverty on you.
They're headphones.
Sorry, I can't hear broke. These headphones cancel out your broke boy noises.
Your dad bought those for you.
Poor. It's AirPods time. So I've had these 3rd generation AirPods for about 2 years now, and they've been great. But recently they've been tweaking, they've been having connection issues, and the battery life isn't as good as it used to be. And I was checking the internet one day and I saw that Costco had a really good deal on the AirPods. So here in Canada, they're normally $3.29 loonies, but this was $2.68, so I went to pick myself up a pair. And we're gonna unbox them today. And this isn't really a review, it'll just be like a first impressions unboxing kind of video. Review will come eventually, so subscribe for that. But yeah, let's get this puppy open. Goodbye to the 3rd gen AirPods. So yeah, these have served me well. I think they're faded because they've been in my jeans pocket for 2 years. I just keep them in a little coin pocket on jeans. So they've lost a bit of their white. So I'm curious to see what a new pair of AirPods is gonna look like compared to these 2-year-old aged AirPods. Alright. Come on. Cool. Silicone tips. Oh, no Apple stickers. Interesting how it's paper. I mean, not paper, plastic, because my iPad Air that I got, I think the charging brick was wrapped in paper. But this looks like it's still plastic. Oh, it's got some heft to it, actually. It's like my AirPods, but chunkier. Look at that. Wow, there's a bit of dust in there. Get that dust out of there. They have a smell. And then in here, you get your silicone ear tips, which I'm not going to open right now, and your USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And it's braided too, that's really nice, but I'm not going to use that for now. So we're just going to set those aside. Okay, so we're recording on the iPad now because I'm going to be using my phone to pair to the AirPods, but this is actually surprisingly good for an iPad camera. Just gonna pop it open. Ooh, connect. Oh, I forgot you can do that. Here we go. There's no like background hum. Oh man, that's gonna get scratched up so bad. Oh man, that's gonna get scratched up so bad. So this is noise cancellation. Turn off conversational awareness. And this is on noise cancellation. It's pretty cool. Try out transparency mode. Ooh. Wait, let me try out the volume control on the stem. You kind of have to pet it, basically. That's kind of cool. I'd rather use my volume button still, though. Oh, and you can also charge it with your Apple Watch charger. Nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this AirPods Pro review. No, not review. Unboxing and first impressions. First impressions are, these are pretty cool, pretty solid. Not too many thoughts right now, though, because... well, I haven't even listened to a full song on it yet. Where are my AirPods 3? Oh, I'm using them to prop up the iPad, so I can't show them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, then subscribe, I guess. But yeah, be awesome and stay techie. Bye.
Wait, no. Ow, ow. Include the iMovie soundtrack. Are you poor?
I'm just gonna enjoy how shiny these are right now because I know they will never be this shiny again. And it looks like we already have our first scratch right there. Damn.